Hello kids, let's learn numbers with me. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10
1, 2, 3, let's start the count. Numbers, they do mount. 4, 5, 6, we're halfway there. Counting numbers everywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Counting makes us feel alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's start counting once again. 7, 8, 9, we're almost done. Counting numbers is so much fun. One more number, can you guess? It's 10, and you are the best.